Hello, my name is Kristi Wallace. Currently, I serve as a wellness analyst for the City of High Point, and I am a student in the EDD of Kinesiology online at the University of North Carolina at Greensboro. My primary responsibilities as the wellness analyst include the development, implementation, and oversight of the City of High Point employee wellness programs. I have had the pleasure of developing a dissertation topic that will connect my current profession with kinesiology. The holistic view of kinesiology includes all activities of daily living, and in our current society continues to develop and redefine how we operate and, more importantly, how we thrive. The study of kinesiology as a result has countless applications, one of which includes employee wellness. Specifically, organizations and companies have developed and continue to explore programs and strategies that improve the overall health and well-being of their employees. The parallels between kinesiology and employee wellness are significant and are paramount for continued sustainability and advancement of both the discipline and field of kinesiology and employee wellness. The purpose of this study is to discover the City of High Point employee perceptions of their employee wellness program. In addition, the study will determine the level of participation of individual employees and provide suggestions to improve the overall employee wellness program and increase participation. The participants will include the City of High Point employees. The City of High Point is a medium-sized municipality with approximately 1,400 employees across 22 departments. The primary research tool will be a survey administered to collect data from the participants. An exploratory research study has been selected because research is available on employee wellness programs, their importance and their impact. However, there is minimal research that exists regarding participation. The current research proves that employee wellness programs are helpful, but participation is critical to improve those results overall. Continued research in employee wellness programs participation is critical, and it can potentially reveal gaps in current employer practices. In conclusion, increased participation in employee wellness programs can provide improved overall health and well-being of employees, lower health risk care costs for the employer and employee, increase the employee job satisfaction, increase employee retention, and increase presenteeism at work. The City of High Point and the field of kinesiology can greatly benefit from this study, and I look forward to connecting the two areas and making a positive impact. Thank you.